Girls. Commander being Mewarika Marbaniang. Placard bearer Daymapi Wanpli Marbaniang. Flag bearer Ila Kynthei Shynrang. The next school being Carmel School Girls. Commander Safika Mary Har. Dapi Bandroy Dokandri. Dabet Shisha Howard. Next school is Springtime Secondary School Girls. Commander being Safetyful Marnar. Placard bearer Teresa Nonglau. Flag bearer Niva Patel. The next school being Uringham Secondary School Girls. Commander Indri Lidor Patel. Placard bearer Everine Rangslang. Flag bearer Sophia Sangma. Next school being Bamluang Higher Secondary School Girls. Name of the commander Iban Shai Umdor. Placard bearer Marbaniang. Flag bearer Last Born Nong Cloud. The next school being Sadew Presbyterian Secondary School Girls. Name of the commander Belsinia Slevia. Placard bearer Rafi Liza Ramsteer. Flag bearer Dapi Wansara Warjri. Next school being Mapla Presbyterian Secondary School Girls. Name of the commander Nafi Saber Rapsang. Placard bearer Lakhinia Nongri. Flag bearer Ijana Lamsir. The next school approaching the dais is Marbaniang Senior SSA Secondary Girls. Name of the commander Ribiki Warba. Placard bearer Sakina Ben Marbaniang. Flag bearer Preeti Marbaniang. The next school approaching the dais is Senkhasi Secondary School Boys. Name of the commander Hakupar Sun. Placard bearer Jean Olman Rapsang. Flag bearer Dami Wante Harkang. The next school is Redmaniang UP School Boys. Name of the commander Bankershan Longsien. Name of the placard bearer Fernanki Patel. Flag bearer Marius Mirtha. The next school approaching the dais is Carmel School Boys. Name of the commander Damankra Sundar. Placard bearer Stevenson Malnyang. Flag bearer Yair Lang Harbuki. school being Springtime Secondary School Boys, led by Commander Vince Brody Kurwar, placard bearer Beban Habok Sun, flag bearer Ankush Rai. The next school being Uringham Secondary School Boys, led by Commander Ashif Raza Alam, placard bearer Samson Haba, flag bearer Augustin Khynnah. The next school approaching the dais is Bomloom Higher Secondary School Boys, led by Commander Banshanlam Khongji, placard bearer Fayancius Gurkalam, flag bearer Bandaplam Dongklam. The next school is Sadew Maupria Presbyterian Secondary School Boys, led by Commander Damish Wanchpua Mutrian, placard bearer Swabha Soklen, flag bearer Mankrao Borla Harish. The next school is Mauklad Presbyterian Secondary School Boys, led by Commander Pinshailam Kurba, placard bearer Justar Lam Rintathiam, flag bearer Sivar Siloberius Kurba. The last school being Marbaniang Umsenyang SSA Secondary Boys, led by Commander Francis D. Nongri, placard bearer Stevenson Patel, flag bearer Ryu Lincoln.